Pratik here. I am SEO executive in Exceptional Technologies, Pune. I am basically engineer, and when I came to Pune and decided to join the digital marketing industry, I have searched and visit almost all the institutes in Pune. And what I find the best is Digital Trainee Institute. This institute gives you the best ROI. They have the best teachers over the Pune. Their staff have the best knowledge of digital marketing industry. If you're also looking for any such industry, and if you're also looking for any such institute to get trained in digital marketing, then I highly suggest you Digital Trainee for that. Okay, they'll get you the assurity of getting placed. They'll get you the assurity of the best practical knowledge in Pune. Like no other institute will give you that assurity of practical knowledge, but this institute will train you on the practical knowledge of digital marketing. So I highly suggest you, if you are looking for digital marketing institute, then I suggest you to go and choose the Digital Trainee. Thank you.